Hi, this is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot. I am so glad you came to our channel. This is the channel where the cleaning community is enthusiastic about learning and us doing the teaching. So today we're going to talk about cleaning business in a box. That's right, cleaning business in a box. We've actually had a lot of people call us and they said that the entry level for starting a new business is really high. So what can we do about that? What we decided to do was to put what we call cleaning business in a box. Templates on how to get started, a list on how to build a website. We give you a 100 customer support number where you can call us anytime, 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. We walk you through any questions you have. You also get 5 expert hours when it comes to our expert in the cleaning industry on any questions you have. So what exactly is cleaning in a box? Well, you can download it. We have 2. You can download it online. You get a manual, a thick manual about like that goes over everything that you get when you download it. Now, when you download the manual, you don't have to download it on paper because you don't want to have to, spend all your money on your paper. So you can do a little bit at a time, or you can leave it online, download it, and you can reference it. But it has everything you need from appointment setting to as far as the questions you need to ask when you're going out, which is going to set your cleaning business apart because there's a lot of cleaning business out there. So why would they come to you? We actually go into how to show that you're cleaning for value. What does that mean? And we go into all kinds. We have a lot into safety. Safety is a big one when it comes to larger accounts. They want to know you have a safety program set up. We also show you how to get your business license, how to get your business account set up, your banking accounts, your license in your state, your insurance. We take you step by step with cleaning in a box. Once we do that, we then move to the actual cleaning videos that you can download online to show you what you need to do. You have a template on how to set up your proposals, how to do your bidding, apps so that you know how to take care of your time, how to hire, train, where to find employees. Everything you need is in this box. Now your question is, how much is it going to be? Is it $1,000? No, it's not. Is it $800? No, it's not. Is it $500? No, it's not. Guess what? It's $297. That's right. $297 will give you an entry level into cleaning like never before. You won't have to worry about franchising where you're paying the franchise fee. You will not have to do any of that. So cleaning in the box, we got so many requests for individuals that are ready to start their business in 2019. Now you have no excuses. So make sure you go to www.thejanitorialspot.com/shop. You'll see it, cleaning in a box. Now you might say, what if I want a physical box? Well, guess what? We have that as well. If you want it shipped out to you, we actually have a box with everything in it that we just described. We actually have. And also, we do a support system for your website. You get a 5-page website. Now, you have to pay for the hosting, but we go step by step with our actual customer support team and showing you how to build a 5-page website like that. We guarantee you can do it. If you can't, guess what? We'll give you your money back. That's how sure we know that you're going to enjoy being able to start your business with cleaning in a box. So we have two. One is for $297. That's when you download everything yourself. The second one is when we send you the box, the physical box. We ship it out to you. And in the box, you get the operations manual in a binder, your templates, you get the instructions for the website. You get a list of possible contracts in your state. We give a list of the 50 states and possible contracts. We show you how to do your proposals, how to get government contracts, how to get certified. Everything you need. You have 2 options. $297 where you download it yourself and you start right away, or guess what? We can send it out to you within the next couple of business days and you'll receive it. Either way, you have no excuses now in getting started in business. So remember, it's called Cleaning Business in a Box, and you can visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com, and you can go /shop. Or call us at 1-800-601-2730, extension 106, and we'll be happy to help you out. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.